How to remove leading and trailing zeros in a string. Python. I have several alphanumeric strings like these. The desired output for removing trailing zeros would be. The desired output for leading trailing zeros would be. The desired output for removing both leading and trailing zeros would be. For now I've been doing it the following way, please suggest a better way if there is.
What about a basic? To remove both trailing and leading zeros? If you're only interested in removing trailing zeros, use .rstrip instead, and will strip for only the leading ones. More info in the doc. You could use some list comprehension to get the sequences you want, like so.
Remove leading plus trailing zero. Remove leading zero. Remove trailing zero.
You can simply do this with a bool.
Did you try with strip? Pandas also propose a convenient method. The first one would give, for instance, this might be more convenient when working with data frames.
Also